Tel me after so many years, इतने साल हो गए courtship के, अभी शादी हो गई, बच्चे हो गए. How do you keep the passion alive?
हाँ, actually,
Blush कर रही है राधिका. ऐसे नीचे देख के. It's okay. Indians can talk about these things too.
No. It's just that हम लोगों में एक बात जो तब भी था अभी है. हम अभी भी it's not like we've taken each other or whatever. Today she could easily say, अभी he's busy, तो ठीक है हम ऐसा divide कर देते हैं time और तुम अपना काम करो, मैं बच्चे को संभालती हूँ. So there's no such fixed agendas. You never really had and sat and spoken about how it's been different now than it was then.
Yeah.
We try to keep it as the same thing. वही बातों पर आज भी हम झगड़ते हैं, वही बातों पर आज भी हम we get excited over.
Yeah, नहीं, thing is
वही late क्यों आया, ये क्यों हुआ, वो क्यों हुआ.
अच्छा, और क्यों भूल गए? All that you're forgetting, only my side of story.
हाँ.
But does it bother you, his late hours and his time?
No, honestly it doesn't. As in मुझे पता है wherever he is, whatever he's doing, I'm always on his mind. Break भी मिला 10 मिनट का. I know he always called me and say, what are you doing? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? क्या कुछ plan है रात का? जल्दी आओ, नहीं आओ. So that way he's an excellent. We have a lot of communication between us.
So you're very involved in his career.
A bad critic.
Bad critic.
No, earlier मुझे काफी I used to feel तुम क्या जानती हो, मैं इतने सालों से इस industry में हूँ, whatever, indirectly, because even dad, mom, they're from a business background, how would you know how to deal in these situations? और करके जब मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ, एक जिद पकड़ लेता हूँ कि मुझे ये करना है, वो कह रही है कि मत करो, तो ये सब कह के मैं ये कर देता था, लेकिन बाद में पता चलता था कि वो जो कह रही थी that was right and I shouldn't have done it in the first place. तो धीरे-धीरे as we spend more time together, I realized तो अब कुछ भी करना हो तो I discuss it with her and whatever she decides for me, I go with what she feels and it's more than not, it's always worked for us.
Especially artistic people like you all, तो क्या होता है कि you all think in a very artistic point of view, not too much thinking in a three-dimensional view. It's more emotional and practical, I said, see, I'm an audience. Like, I don't have singing capabilities. I said, so, मैं खाली आपको पूरा time देख रही हूँ. So, I know exactly मैं audience की what will I want as an audience, मैं क्या सुनना चाहती हूँ. आप जो सुनाना चाहते हैं, अगर मैं वो सुनना चाहती हूँ कि नहीं.
आपकी लव स्टोरी का गहरा रिश्ता है फ्लाइंग से. हम जानेंगे शान और राधिका का क्या रिश्ता है फ्लाइंग के साथ.